What's up, everybody? It's John here. Want to make an extra $1,000 a month from the comfort of your home? Keep watching. I'm talking about side hustles that actually work. No, seriously, we're diving deep into 5 proven ways to stack some serious cash online. That's right, in this video we'll explore 5 realistic and proven side hustles that can help you earn at least $1,000 per month online in 2025. We're talking about flexing your skills, setting your own hours, and being your own boss. Whether you're a wordsmith, a math whiz, or just crazy organized, there's a side hustle out there with your name on it. You know I love a good challenge, and figuring out how to make money online is like the ultimate puzzle. So, get ready to take some notes because we're about to break down these side hustles step by step. We're talking tips, tricks, and all the resources you need to crush it in 2025. First up, we've got freelance writing. Now, if you're someone who can craft a killer sentence and you're not afraid to let your creativity flow, this one's for you. Think about it. Businesses everywhere need compelling content for their websites, blogs, social media, you name it. That's where you come in, wordsmith extraordinaire. But John, you might be saying, how do I actually find these high-paying writing gigs? Don't worry, I got you. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are like the ultimate digital marketplaces for freelancers. You create a profile, showcase your skills, and boom, you're open for business. It's like having your own online store, but instead of selling t-shirts, you're selling your words. And here's the best part. The more you write, the better you get, and the more money you can make. It's like leveling up in a video game, but instead of earning experience points, you're earning cold, hard cash. Plus, you get to work from anywhere in the world. Imagine writing from a beach in Bali or a cafe in Paris. The possibilities are endless. But here's the key, you gotta stand out from the crowd. And how do you do that? By building a killer portfolio. Think of it like your resume, but instead of just listing your experience, you're showing potential clients what you're capable of. Write some amazing blog posts, website copy, even social media captions. Anything that shows off your writing chops. Once you've got a solid portfolio, it's time to network. Connect with other freelancers, reach out to businesses, let the world know you're open for business. The more people you connect with, the more opportunities will come your way. Trust me, this is how you build a freelance empire. And here's a pro tip: specialize. Find a niche that you're passionate about and become an expert in it. Whether it's tech, travel, finance, or anything in between, having a niche will make you more valuable to clients. Alright, next up is online tutoring, and let me tell you, this one is blowing up right now. If you've got a knack for explaining things and you love helping others learn, this could be your golden ticket. Think about it. With the internet, you can connect with students from all over the world right from your own home. No more stuffy classrooms or strict schedules, you get to be your own boss and set your own hours. Want to teach English to students in Japan before breakfast? You got it! How about helping kids with their math homework after dinner? Done. The flexibility is insane. And the best part is, there are tons of platforms out there that make it super easy to find tutoring gigs. Sites like VIP Kid and Chegg Tutors connect you with students who need help in specific subjects. You create a profile, list your expertise, and boom, you're ready to start teaching. Now here's the key to making serious bank with online tutoring: specialize in high-demand subjects. Think math, science, English as a second language, ESL. These are the areas where students are always looking for extra help. The more specialized you are, the more valuable your skills become, and the more you can charge per hour. But it's not just about knowing your stuff, it's about connecting with your students. Be patient, be encouraging, and make learning fun. Remember, you're not just a tutor, you're a mentor, a guide, a cheerleader. When your students succeed, you succeed. And here's a pro tip: invest in a good microphone and webcam. Clear audio and video quality are crucial for online tutoring, so don't skimp on the tech. Trust me, it'll make a world of difference in your students' learning experience. Dropshipping is all about finding the right products and getting them in front of the right people. Alright, let's talk about becoming a virtual assistant, the ultimate side hustle for all you organized bosses out there. If you thrive on checking things off your to-do list, and you're a master of all things administrative, this one's for you. Seriously, businesses everywhere need help with tasks like managing emails, scheduling appointments, creating presentations, and so much more. And that's where you come in, the virtual assistant extraordinaire. The beauty of being a VA is that you can work from anywhere with an internet connection. Set up shop in your home office, your favorite coffee shop, or even a beachside bungalow. The possibilities are endless. Plus, you get to choose your own hours and work with clients you're passionate about. But John, you might be asking, how do I even find these amazing VA gigs? Well, platforms like LinkedIn and TaskRabbit are like virtual job boards for freelancers. Create a profile that highlights your skills, experience, and the types of tasks you're a rock star at. You can also join Facebook groups and online communities dedicated to virtual assistants. It's like networking, but from the comfort of your own couch. And here's the key to standing out as a VA: develop a range of skills. The more you can offer, the more valuable you become to potential clients. Think email marketing, social media management, customer service, even basic web design. The more you know, the more you grow. Last but definitely not least, we've got print on demand, the ultimate side hustle for all you creative entrepreneurs out there. If you've ever dreamed of designing your own t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, or basically anything else you can print a design on, this one's for you. And the best part? You don't need to worry about inventory, shipping, or any of that complicated stuff. It's like magic. You create the designs, a print-on-demand company handles the rest, and you collect the profits. But John, you might be wondering, how does this whole print-on-demand thing even work? Well, it's actually pretty simple. First, you need to create some killer designs. Think eye-catching graphics, witty slogans, or anything else that you think people would love to rock on a t-shirt or sip their coffee from. Once you've got your designs ready, it's time to choose a print-on-demand platform. Sites like Etsy, Redbubble, and Society6 are like online marketplaces for print-on-demand products. You create a store, upload your designs, and set your prices. When someone orders one of your products, the print-on-demand company takes care of everything else: printing, shipping, even customer service. And here's the key to making it big with print-on-demand niche down. Find a specific audience or interest group and create designs that cater to their passions. Think dog lovers, gamers, bookworms, or anything else you can think of. The more specific you are, the easier it will be to target your ideal customers. And there you have it, folks. 5 awesome side hustles that can help you earn an extra $1,000 a month online in 2025. Remember, the key to success is to choose a side hustle you're passionate about, put in the work, and never give up on your dreams. If you found these side hustles helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out our channel for more tips on making money online. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. We're dropping knowledge bombs every week to help you level up your life and achieve financial freedom. Now get out there and start building your side hustle empire.